I was 6 years old when I got really sick. I was hospitalized for 2 months straight. There, a doctor saved my life. That's when I decided what I want to be in my life when I grew up.
There is nothing that comes to the privilege of being a healer to countless people.
सिंगल पेरेंट होने के कारण मुझे काफी मेहनत करनी पड़ी है। ऐसा लगता है कि अपने ही लोग वहाँ पर हैं। मेरी बेटी का बहुत अच्छा ख्याल रख रहे हैं। मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ।
Becoming a doctor will change my life and my family's. And I am not going to throw away my shield.
Dreams, ambition, and opportunities for a bright future. Which college are you all studying at?
International Higher School of Medicine, Ishikul Regional Campus of IHSM.
I am a proud student of International Higher School of Medicine, Ishikul Campus.
Ishikul literally translates to the warm lake. Located at an altitude of 5,272 feet, the beautiful town of Jolpanata, by a shore of Ishikul Lake, is home to the International Higher School of Medicine.
International Higher School of Medicine Ishikul campus opened its door in 2017. Our goal is to meet the high standard of medical education that can be found in universities across the globe. We strive to train outstanding doctors who can practice their craft across the world and become experts in their chosen fields.
Our goal is to provide students with an immersive learning experience that's up to date with the rest of the world. Our faculty consists of highly distinguished experts from across the world, and our facilities are on par with global standards. This prepares our students to practice medicine of the highest quality when they leave our institution.
Ishikul is a beautiful campus. We know that pursuing a 5-year medicine course can be quite daunting, but doing it at Ishikul does melt a little bit of the stress away. The campus infrastructure is convenient. Students can live comfortably, they can study in peace and succeed in their endeavors.
In India, I lost my seat by 20 marks. And trust me, I was totally devastated. But then, my father kept searching for the best medical college and he selected IHSM Ishikul. The reason why he selected the college was because it provides the wholesome Indian environment, like celebrating Indian festivals, having Indian mess, and most importantly, the studies, which is same as in any Indian medical college.
One of the things that astonished me was that every hostel is supervised by IHSM teachers and supervisors from India who assist us in feeling comfortable and at home.
When you're not worried about fitting in, getting the food you used to have, with no language barrier, you can fully focus on your studies and achieve the success you deserve. And that is what the team at IHSM has been doing for all of us, Indian students.
I have thoroughly enjoyed my time at IHMG school so far. Besides having a faculty that rivals the best in the world, we are also encouraged to pursue our hobbies and explore our passions. This allows us time away from books and develop holistically.
From providing a robust curriculum that's recognized the world over to fostering confidence in our students by creating internship programs That gives them first-hand experience. The mission at the International School of Medicine at ISICU is to nurture excellence in skill and compassion for human life. That's what makes our doctors among the best in the world.
आपके बच्चे के भविष्य तो वो बना के ही रहेगा। आपके दिमाग में डॉक्टर बनाने की कॉन्सेप्ट है तो बस वो बना के ही घर पे छोड़ेगा। बहुत एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी है IHSM वाले।
You can find quality education across the board, but at ITCM we try to create an environment close to home. This allows our students to accept at the course and become doctor that any nation will be proud to have in their ranks.
और जब आएंगे तो मैं इतना प्राउड फील करूंगा, वो उस दिन का इंतजार कर रहा हूं मैं कि मेरे बच्चे जब डॉक्टर बन के आएंगे, मैं जब बहुत ज्यादा प्राउड फील करूंगा।
कोरोना टाइम में भी बहुत सपोर्ट किया है मुझे, लाइट के मामले में, फीस के मामले में, इंस्टॉलमेंट सुविधा तक मिली है मुझे। उसी वजह से मेरी बेटी ने 4th ईयर भी कंप्लीट कर लिया है। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ इससे। इसी तरह से 5th ईयर भी कंप्लीट करके PG भी IHSM से ही कराना चाहती हूँ।
We had envisioned this campus exclusively for Indian students and built the facilities accordingly.
तेलंगाना,
गुजरात,
कर्नाटका, राजस्थान,
गुजरात,
केरला,
आंध्र प्रदेश,
दिल्ली,
असम,
गुजरात,
हरियाणा,
तेलंगाना,
तमिलनाडु, हिमाचल प्रदेश, हरियाणा, मध्य प्रदेश,
आंध्र प्रदेश,
महाराष्ट्र।
IHSM ISICUL, the elite campus exclusively for Indian students.